Now it's no surprise that us car guys are pretty bad influences. So we've convinced our friend, who's not a car guy, to install some coilovers on his MX-5. Let's go see how he gets on. Are you confident? After a grueling 25 minutes to get the car up on jack stands, we had to step in to speed the process up a little.
Oh yeah.
Oh Ben, that's not good.
What?
Ben, man, wait, come look at this.
Oh no. Now with all of the bolts sprayed up with pen fluid, we moved to the top hats in the engine bay, when the inevitable happened. Go on. Oh! Well, we're never seeing that again.
No, it's just there. You got like pliers or something?
Where?
It's literally just under there. It's gone. I can get it.
With crisis number 1 averted, it was time to move on to the bottom bolts of the suspension struts. And, as you all know, the worst part of any coilover install, the drop links.
Hey, no way! Wait, actually, the goat there.
Yeah, that's Lou.
Now you have to do the bottom one.
That. I'm just gonna leave it.
After finally removing the drop links, it was time to hammer out the bottom bolts of the suspension struts.
No, bro.
First shock is out. We're gonna measure up
Sorry.
and
Don't just hold this though.
get the new ones in. We tried to get him to slam his car, but clearly he wasn't having it.
No, you can always do it up again.
Yeah, Ben, come on, man. Why is it so
Relax,
World star, world star.
It's low.
He's gonna put it on higher saying. He's gonna have it higher than
It's
stock.
gonna be like 3 threads under there.
You bought it for the dry quality, yeah?
We're gonna film the...
The talkings. Yeah, man.
After a lot of swearing, the fronts are done. Let's take a quick break and then move on to the rears. First we'll start by removing the trims and the carpets in the boot.
No way, you did a thing. You did a thing.
Then we have access to remove the nuts from the top hats of the rear shocks.
2 weeks.
After this, we removed the bottom suspension bolt. Then we were met with the second big problem of this install, the rear drop links. And for these, we had to resort to the power tools.
I do it for mine.
Ben doing absolutely nothing. Yeah, what?
This is going to take a while.
It is currently, what,
Oh, we filmed
6 hours in?
6.5, mate.
And we are... Ben, move, man. You ain't done
Look at Ben trying to act like
Ben's now acting like he did all the work. We've finally got the restaurant out.
Now, it's fair to say that that job didn't go as expected. We had to cut off the drop links, which took about 4 hours in total. This job, like any other car jobs, is not as easy as it ever looks. And when working on cars, there are bound to be massive mistakes, just like this one that Gio by Luke found when he was doing the alignment.
So this is a situation when someone says that they can do the job cheaper, yeah? Customer said he's got a knocking noise and they've just fitted coilovers. My life.
Now, although it was an extremely difficult job and took way longer than we expected, The coilovers are on and aligned, and the car looks, well, fantastic. Take a look. I think we can all agree that the car looks so much better than what it did with the stock fitment. But I think it's fair to say now that with that fitment, the car needs some wheels.